Going places. On a magic banana leaf. Once upon a time, Kitty and Puppy were playing together happily in an open space of the animal kingdom. They spent many hours together, running after each other and doing all kinds of mischievous acts. After some time, Kitty felt tired and hungry. Puppy, too, started panting. "I'm hungry now," said Kitty. "Oh, me too," said Puppy. "But where can we find something to eat here? We will have to go home," said Kitty. "I know. If we go home, our parents will not allow us to come back to the playground," said Puppy. "So, what shall we do?" asked Kitty. "I've got a good idea. We'll go to Uncle Monkey and get some advice," added Puppy. When Kitty and Puppy visited Uncle Monkey, he was eating some bananas sitting under a tree. "Uncle, we're hungry now, but we can't go home," both of them said in chorus. "I know your little secrets. If you go home, you won't be able to come back and play till evening. Am I correct?" asked Uncle Monkey. The two friends nodded their heads. "Look here. I'll give you a magic banana leaf. When you sit on it, you will be able to fly through the air to any place in the animal kingdom," said Uncle Monkey, eating another banana. Kitty and Puppy looked at Uncle Monkey with gaping mouths. "That's fine! Let's sit on it and visit places," said Kitty enthusiastically. In the meantime, Uncle Monkey whistled to two storks who were meditating in the nearby lake. He asked them to hold the magic banana leaf in their long beaks and fly. Kitty and Puppy sat on the magic banana leaf. The storks began to fly, carrying the magic banana leaf. "Wow! We never saw the beauty of the animal kingdom so nicely," said Puppy. But Kitty was still looking downwards, thrilled by the passing scene. After some time, however, Puppy and Kitty felt that they were flying beyond the boundaries of the animal kingdom. "Please stop flying," they pleaded with the storks. The storks stopped flapping their wings. They opened their beaks to say something to Puppy and Kitty. The magic banana leaf crash-landed. "Where are we now?" asked Kitty. "On the boundary of the animal kingdom," said Puppy. "Let's run home. Enough of riding the magic banana leaf," said Kitty. So both of them ran home, but never told their parents how they rode on the magic banana leaf. Thank you for your time. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel.